the most common question I get is, why is there oil on my blades? And the answer to that question is, when you buy a pack of blades from us, like this one, you'll generally get it in a 5 or 10 pack, depending on what you choose. Now, our blades do last a long time, which is great, and we're selling you the 10 or the 5 because it's a better value for you than buying onesie-twosies at a time. The packing oil is just there to keep your blades in great condition, to keep the surface clean, to keep it from acquiring any debris or any rust or anything like that that might associate. We have to remember that we live in the northern hemisphere, most of us, and we have 4 seasons most of the time. We live in places with higher humidity. We take our blades on cruises. We take them to retreats. They're always moving around and exposed to elements. Having that oil is a great way to keep them protected and pristine. The easy way to take care of that is you slide one out, put it on a paper towel, carefully and gently wipe from the inside out to wipe that oil off. And I'll show you how we do that on the bench. But that is the number one question: why is there packing oil?